The KSU and FKGGP Kenba Malay Somat Area Unit, along with the Seng Samla Kenba Malay, have strongly condemned the barbaric act of Roy Lingdor Lightmate. As organizations in the area, they have expressed sorrow and shock over the spiteful killing of late Shanlang Maukad by bloodthirsty individuals, and as organizations, they have strongly condemned the barbaric act of the shooter who no longer has any sympathy and humanity in him. Therefore, they have demanded the government through the police department to keep him locked up without any bail, and also to provide and sustain the children of late Shanlang Maukad with food and education. They also demanded that the group of friends of the shooter be searched and arrested, as it was understood that this shooter was with his group killing people on that tragic day. The KSU and FKGGP have also sent the condolence message to the family members of late Shanlang Maukad for God to console them, especially with his wife and children. RIP late Shanlang Maukad.